Hey everybody, it's your girl Yako, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon One Step hair dryer. And this is the hair dryer here. It is shaped like a paddle brush, as you can see. And Revlon is claiming that this hair dryer will dry your hair in half the time compared to a regular hair dryer. It's supposed to also reduce frizz and give you that straight blowout look. This is the packaging here. I got this brush for $34.99 at Walmart.com. They probably also have it in the store, but I'm pretty sure they also have it on Amazon.com and maybe some other places. If you're interested in checking out this brush, then I will leave a link in my description box where you can go check it out. But let's get started. Okay, so I've already washed and detangled my hair, and for my heat protectant I'm going to be using the TRESemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer. And I have my hair in this bonnet here and this plastic cap to keep my hair moist. I have 4 sections here, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and clip up these 2 in the front so I can get those out of the way. Have my hair clips there, and I'm gonna clip up this side just to keep it out of the way as well. So I'm gonna work with this side here. And I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my hand and then rub it into my hair. I feel like doing it this way I can get kind of like an equal coverage of this heat protectant. So I'm just gonna spray a couple of sprays in my hand, rub my hand together, then rub it through my hair like this. Okay, I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb again just to go through my hair and make sure it's fully detangled. Okay, so I'm gonna split this one section into 2. Just wanna work with some smaller sections as I'm drying my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that up. All right, guys, so I'm going to start off with the low setting. And then I'm gonna work my way up to a higher setting just to get my hair used to the heat and so it won't shock my hair. So I'm just gonna turn it on to low first. So I'm done blow drying one half of my hair, and it looks pretty good so far. It has that straight blowout look. And what I've discovered so far is that when you're blow drying it, you want to go really slow. Like, don't brush your hair like a regular paddle brush. Like, you know, just take it and go slow, just like that. And that's how you're gonna get that blowout straight look. Otherwise, it's just gonna look kind of poofy and just dry, regular dry. But it didn't take that long. Their claims for it to be quick drying is pretty accurate. So yeah, let's continue with the rest of this. done blow drying my hair, and this is the finished results here, and it looks pretty good. It definitely gives you that straight blowout look. One thing is your roots are still going to be kind of shabby because, you know, it's not really getting your roots straight. But if you just want to get that blowout look for a particular style, or you just want your hair to be straight, then this is pretty good. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos. And thanks for watching.